To all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. If you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. I know I am barefaced, okay? You're gonna bear up with me because today I'm gonna do a review of a loose powder. And so I'll be doing everything and then I'll be like, showing you. So I'm barefaced for that reason. So I'm super excited and stoked about this because Swiss Beauty is one of my most favorite brands and it's so affordable. It is like a beginner friendly brand and it is an Indian brand, also one of the most thriving, very fast growing brands. They have come up with a new launch. This is Beauty Ultra Fine Loose Finish Powder. So this is called Banana. I'm in so much of a confusion. Why? Because in purple.com it is called banana powder and it comes in 4 different shades, and purple it has only 2 shades. One is medium Mo-N and one is banana powder. But in Nykaa I found 5 different shades. There was no banana in Nykaa. I found that a little funny because I bought this from the app Purple. And I found it funny that Nykaa doesn't have banana powder in Swiss Beauty and it has other 5 different shades. So I'm heavily confused. These are the shades which are available in Nykaa. I have it right here. So the first one is transparent. The second one is medium deep / Mayon Fans. And the third shade is medium / Mo-N. And fourth is ivory. And fifth is natural. I can't find banana powder in this anywhere because it's funny because I found banana powder in purple and there is no banana powder over here, and banana powder doesn't have any other name other than just banana powder in purple. The claims are written on the side of the box. One is long lasting and it is pore care. We will keep watching how this goes. Let's just do a transition moment so that we can quickly get done with our base, that is primer, moisturizer, foundation and concealer, because I have to just set my face right with this powder. So I'll just do all of that and be right back. This is for all skin types and this comes in this kind of box. Like, can you see it has this holographic shine and sheen to it, which I absolutely flippin' love. So the product, so sleek. I'm using this for the first time in front of you and I'm showing it to you. This is the product right over here. Can you see how sleek and chic that is? Like such golden packaging, beautiful. So this is the packaging over here. So this is 10 grams of product for rupees 449. This is a little bit on the steepy side of the rate and I feel that it could have been little lesser of price, and it is running on discounts. Like I got this for like 350 rupees or something on sale on the app Purple. So, and I love the packaging. Yeah, I just love it. So when you open it, you get this is a very I used to feel it's useless, but this is a very good sponge. I love it's very soft, it's very fuzzy, which I really like. And again, it has the name engraved on it, which is really good. Packaging is flippin' amazing. It like this, it doesn't like completely open up. So you get the product, you have a Swifter inside, which is really good. And the powder, as it says, is very finely milled, yellow but not that yellow. You see how fine that is? It's basically like butter. This has a very mild fragrance to it, which is not like a bombarding headache kind of fragrance, and even I personally don't mind any sort of fragrance. So I'm quickly just gonna like just dab off the creases that has happened. I'm gonna take this sponge that they give. I'm gonna take a little bit of the product. So whatever is left on my sponge, I'm just gonna set my face. What I feel about this product, I feel that it doesn't give coverage. You have to be really careful. It's very finely milled, as they say, and this has like 0 coverage, but it set my face pretty well, and I won't say it's the bestest of best powder I've ever used. So I'm just gonna dust this off. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I'm a huge fan of Fit Me Loose Powder. I think there's 20 grams of product for $6.95 and I don't mind spending extra for that powder because A, it has coverage, B, it is a little bit thicker. This is, as it says, it's very finely milled. I feel that my face, even after setting so much, is a bit tacky. It won't be my go-to holy grail product. Probably I'll use it because I bought it. I said I will prefer the Fit Me. I'll spend little more money because I know the product is gonna be literally worth it. I'm gonna like go ahead and do one more coat of this powder because my face is feeling very sticky and tacky. So I feel that I made a mistake of, you know, going with the second layer because it has accentuated my pores more. Again, I'm not going to jump into any sort of conclusion. Let me like complete off my entire face, base, everything, and be right back, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on this. I have my final thoughts. I have my blush on, I have my bronzer on, and also I have put a lot of highlighter because I love highlighters. So I feel that my base hasn't budged at all. It is intact, it has not moved or anything, because usually if your loose powder is like, you know, the sealing deal of the entire base, and if the loose powder is not, you know, good enough, your base can actually move. It's done a pretty good job. It has not moved any sort of makeup. The only problem I am having is my pores are enhanced and it's not a pleasant sight because I applied a lot of primer, and with my other loose powders this never happens. I'm gonna come a little close to you guys to show you how this is on my skin. I brought you guys really close, so my pores are all accentuated. It's like, you know, my pores are exaggerated in this, and other than that everything is sitting beautifully. This doesn't have coverage. Can you see my grayness peeking through? I usually seal my deal with this concealer, and any other loose powder it just sets and that grayness doesn't peek through because my loose powders have a little bit of coverage. Other than that, I feel that it's a bit expensive for the price that we are paying. It is just like 10 grams of product. Baba बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा है, ठीक है? But in sale and all, you get it for 350 bucks. And I feel that it's a very travel friendly option. A, because it has a very intact packaging. 2, so has like, you know, this covering, so when you open it you have the mesh, and if it like falls somewhere you won't have a lot of product depositing from this. The lid, like this lid, it has a mirror. This is the mirror, guys, that you get along with the powder. So you just need to close it, and it's a very palm sized powder. Like this is my palm size, so you can travel with it. If you want, you can just like touch up, and you have a mirror, so you can just look, oh okay fine, I just need to touch up. Like, so I'm gonna list out the pros and cons. So the pro is amazing packaging. 2, it has a mirror. 3, it is travel friendly. 4, this feels luxurious, okay? And 5, it is yellow, which I really like according to me because I'm highly yellow and golden undertone, so I like it to be yellow. Online as well as offline, it's very easily available. It's a very mildly fragrant powder. It's not heavily bombarded, and other than that, the con, very expensive for the amount you're paying. You get better powders at this price point. And the second thing, it is extra finely milled, which I am not a great fan of, because if it's an extra finely milled powder, it's not going to give you that much of coverage. 4th one, it accentuates your pores, it enhances your pores, and it shows that okay, you're having pores. Okay? I can only think about 7 pros and 4 cons. It's all up to you. If people want to check it out, you can check it out. This is again, I feel that it's a drugstore option. Always on sale. It'll be like 350 or 400 rupees. Makeup is very subjective. Each and every one. What might suit you might not suit me, and what might suit me might not suit you. So you can give it your bet. I'm gonna be leaving the link for this. I bought it from Purple's. Links are, it doesn't get redirected or it shows invalid, so you can just download the app Purple and find this out from there, or Nykaa also, put the product link down. So this is the end of my review. Found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share. It does help me get more reach. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is down in the description box below. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.